Are you looking for a way to make money online, but it seems like you just cannot find it? Now you land on the perfect video, because in this video, I'm going to be talking about 7 websites that pay you $15 per hour right now. So if you're looking for something like this is going to be a great video for you. So I'm going to go over everything with you. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. If this is your first time to my YouTube channel, my name is Andre. I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways. So there's a lot of videos and a lot of content, a lot of information that you could sink your teeth in, you could dive in, and you could just come through here and you could sift through and see what's best for you. So if you're looking for websites that will pay you $15 per hour right now online, this is the video that you need to watch. So if you're looking for my #1 recommendation, I highly recommend, if you're looking for something that can make you $200-300 consistently every single day, passive income, make sure you check out the first link in the description to do so. So I'm going to jump into things right away, and here are the 7 websites that you can make $15 per hour online right now. The first one I'm going to be talking about is a website that is called sayabc.com. So sayabc, as you can see, it is a platform where you could teach English online working from home. So you could pay, you'll get paid up to $19 per 40 minutes. So not even a full hour, you'll get $19. So your interactive platform, pre-uploaded National Geographic lessons, you set your own time, you set your own schedule. So if you'd like to go on this particular website, it's t.sayabc.com. And if you'd like to participate, you could come through here. You could see exactly what some of these teachers are doing. You earn up to $19 per 40-minute class, which is not bad. That is good if you could teach. So you grow confidence in every child. And this is teaching kids overseas, especially in China. They want to learn and they want to get it from the core of the people who can speak proper English, and especially if you're from the US. So this is going to be something that's going to be good for you. You can scroll all the way down here. If you'd like to sign up, all you have to do is just click on the sign up button. Once you click on the sign up button, it's just going to take you over here where you could just sign up and you can get started right away. But for the recruitment section, you click on here and you can view the requirements. So once you click on recruitment, view the requirements, and you can see exactly how it all works. So you can earn up to $19, $15 base and $4 bonus per lesson based on attendance and productivity. So 40 minutes, you get 19 bucks. That's a great deal. So 10 to 14 days, start teaching quickly. New applicants takes anywhere from like 10 to 14 days to make sure that everything is approved. And teachers who teach or trial class can get at least $8 per converted student as a incentive per class. So 40 minutes, you could get started. So here are some of the class times: Monday through Friday, 6 p.m. to 6:30, 6:50 to 7. So these are more likely in the evening times. There are some times down here, and this is Sunday. So classes, or this is on GMT time. So GMT plus 8, if you don't know what time that is, I highly recommend you go onto Google and you type in what is GMT plus 8 into whatever time zone that you're in, and it can calculate and you can see exactly what times they are. So fill out the application, you apply online, interview, orientation, you book a 30-minute interview, and then you sign a contract, upload docs. And here are some of the requirements they're looking for: native level of English, be equipped with computer, with fast internet. And as long as you're native level of English, you're ready to go. Are you ready to discover the joy of teaching? So sign up, get started, and you'll be well on your way. So the next website I'm going to share with you is askwonder.com. So with Ask Wonder, it's basically a data entry job, data research. You come on here and you want to give information to this company. So they're hiring right now. If you want to become an analyst, you click on becoming an analyst, and you can earn using your brain. As you can see, earn money using your brain. You could work when you want, learn, expand your resume, and your mind. So you could join the community, complete 5 minutes application to get started. So you put in your first name, you put your email address, create a password, and you could choose the city that you're located, and you click on I'm not a robot, agree to the terms and condition, hit the application, and you can get started right away. So if you come through here, you visit research dashboard when you're ready to get started. We'll assign you the request to work on. You find the answer source, synthesize your findings, submit your work, and you can celebrate right away. So you can get started and you can make money with this immediately. So the next website I'm going to show you how you can make $15 per hour online right now is $99social.com. So with $99social.com, it's a great website, and they're looking for people that is more of like a social media. So if you love social media, such as like Instagram, Facebook, or any different platform that is sociable. So they're looking for people that want to help out other people, because sometimes there's huge companies out there. You can write content for them. You can manage their social media platforms, and you don't even have to put your face or your name on it. You could just come on here. You could get busy. So for this, if you come onto $99social.com, you won't find how to sign up. You have to go to Google and you have to type in, once you type in $99social.com/content specialist position. So that's what you want to sign up for, is the content specialist. So you work with a growing fast-paced social media company as a social media content specialist. Just like what I'm saying, they're hiring and you could apply today. So are you passionate about writing, research, social media? If you're a social media person, you're always on Instagram, Facebook, and all that type of stuff, this will be the perfect job for you. So instead of you scrolling, looking at cat pictures, you could do social media work on here and you could get paid. So do friends and family or coworkers come to you when they need help about crafting message? So they're looking for someone who's sociable, because it's a social media platform, not someone who's not at least outgoing, but have a passion for it. Don't just do it because you're doing it for the money, but do it with a little bit of love, and it will come off as just a regular hobby. It won't come off as a job. So that's a good thing. If you're passionate about something, once you do it, it's not going to feel like work. It's going to feel like something that you love. So if you come through here, you can answer yes to all 6 questions. This might be a good fit for you. So these are the 6 questions. First of all, do you get it? You're a social media. You're social media savvy and actively use major social networks. So they go through all that kind of stuff. So if you can answer yes to all of this, you can get started right away. And you can get paid just by doing this. And we require 6 to 7 hours of self-paced online training and view conference calls with your team. So they'll tell you how it all works, and you can make money with this. Sometimes you can even make a little bit more than $15 per hour. So you'll get paid a flat rate per account. Sometimes you get 100 to 120 accounts within reasonable amount of time. So this right here is a 40-hour per week. This can even turn into a full-time job, but full-time passion that you could do, and you can make money doing that. So $99social.com/content specialist. So go on Google and you can find that. So coming up, this one is a great website. It is Bestmark. So what they do, they are looking for to connect with customer rules. So connecting, like driving customer expectation in like the new in the new shopping era. So Bestmark is as you can see right here, it's nation's finest mystery shopping customer experience solution. So what they're doing, you're basically going out there, you can shop and you could give your reviews on this. And once you do that, then you can get paid. That's the beauty about this, is you come on here and you can learn about it. So if you want to sign up and be a part of this, you can click on where it says, let me scroll down here, and you can, different areas such as view all industries, apartment, automotive, banking, casino, health, hotel, restaurant, retail, grocery. So everything is listed right here, and you want to become a mystery shopper, you just click on here where it says become a mystery shopper. So that's what you're doing. You're a mystery shopper. You're not going to tell people who you are, but it's bestmark.com. And then you just give your reviews, and that's how they're going to do it. So Bestmark seeks individuals with a keen eye who extremely conscientious and responsible in honoring their commitment. So that's all you're doing. The minimum requirement, you got to be 18 years and older, must have a reliable transportation, must have good writing and communication skill, must be able to focus on details. So you got to focus on the task that they give you. Must have full access to internet at home, and you could work at home, you could do this. So these are some of the mystery shoppers that they're looking for. They're looking for people in the US. There's Puerto Rico as well, and they're also in Canada. So this is a website they're looking for people in Canada, US, and Puerto Rico. So make sure you sign up for that if you're in those areas. Coming up, this is the next website that you can earn $15 or more per hour online right now is Telelanguage. So Telelanguage, as it speaks for itself, it has to do with telemarketing. So they're looking for interpreters over 300 plus languages, and they want people in different fields to translate in different languages, such as like telephonic interpretation, on-site interpretation, video remote interpretation. So they're looking for people probably in like the medical field. They're looking for people in different fields all over. And all you have to do is just sign up. And I don't think it needs any major requirements the last time that I looked. But you can come on here, and they're looking for video remote interpreters. They're also looking for over the phone. If you're a person who is ongoing and you want to be on the phone, this is going to be something for you. So you could check it out, and you could get started right away. You can earn $15 an hour or even more. It all depends. Sometimes they even pay more for this. So Telelanguage interpreters, different languages. You could come through here and you could see the different industry that they work with: healthcare, government, social services, finances, insurance, and legal, telecommunications, all different departments that they're looking for people who can translate. So if you speak English in another language, hey, this is going to be perfect. So check it out, telelanguage.com. The next website that I'm talking about where you can make $15 per hour right now is Time ETC, Time Etc. So be home for bedtime. Fit more into your day with dedicated virtual assistants. So this is a virtual assistant job. So this one, you're going to be on the phone as well. You can be on the phone. Sometimes they will ask for you to do some work in the area, such as like chat bots and all that type of stuff. But it's more like customer representative. You can scroll through here, and they're looking for people that can provide like great assistance. They want to make sure that you become a virtual assistant. So you can click on here where it says not try a virtual assistant, but you want to scroll down here at the bottom where it says freelance with us. So if you click on the freelance with us, it will give you information of what you're looking for. Guaranteed fixed hourly rates, no bidding or writing, endless proposal, no overseas competition, regular ongoing work, clients that you know and trust. And you just fill out the application right here. They will verify a little bit of work history, a little bit of educational background, and some little small tasks that it will probably ask, and some information just to kind of beef things up. I just want to make sure that you can come on here and you can get started. So this is a great freelancing. So ETC, timeetc.com is a great place that you could check out. So the next website, and this is the last website coming in at number 7, is interactiveresearch.biz. So interactiveresearch.biz is on the phone. Again, this is a wide variety. They're looking for virtual call center, and you're going to be on the phone. So if you don't have one of these headsets that was just displaying. You can always get one on Amazon. Just go on Amazon.com. You could buy one for like $20 or even cheaper. Make sure you get the one that is going to block out some of the noise. So that way, if you have kids or you got animals in the background, the noise don't disturb your customer representative or your virtual assistant job. So this is going to be a customer service job, and you could just sign up and you can get started. But that's all for now. If you're looking for my #1 recommendation, I highly recommend you check out the first link in the description, and you could sign up if you're looking to make more money and you want to start your own online business where you don't have to rely on $15 per hour. And you can work when you want, whenever you want, and you can have that money coming in. So thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Andre, and I hope you enjoy this video. 7 websites that pay $15 per hour right now. See you in the next one. Peace.